Yeah, I think I would definitely get this. Let's see. See how so good.
I don't have it on this channel.
Oh, you just have it
It's
on
on
some
this
other
channel.
thing. Okay, so let's see. Let's see.
So I can switch the channel for you.
That's fine. I forgot because I reversed it. I forgot.
Yeah.
That's why I was going on with it.
I have it on fast.
Yeah. I know. I want to see how good. That's great. That's great. So yeah. I'll definitely get this. This is great. Put it on slow. Let's see how long. Nice, smooth. This is great. Awesome. Great, perfect.
So it looks like we're at like orange and yellow.
Cool. So we got some different knobs here. So yeah, I think I like the blue. I'm gonna go with the blue and maybe
like on the gains
the
and
blue and green, and because there's so many gone.
I know.
I'm just like blue, green, and orange. That's kind of cool. I mean, blue, green, and purple. Yeah. Let's see, because there's a lot of orange here, but yeah. Maybe I'm not against orange. Let's see. Let's see. Get some blue ones. Are there any more of the fader ones?
I'll look for a fader.
Yeah, because there's one fader.
There's one missing. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a fader for it.
Oh, this could go up here up top or something. This is like top row maybe. Top row could be all blue. Let's see. Let's see. There we go. Top rose blue. Yeah, that could be cool. Like different types of, like maybe let's see, that's green also. So maybe this could be green. Maybe like this. This is really what I would be using. I wouldn't really like maybe
Maybe orange for these four.
yeah, actually maybe these should match. That's what I'll do is make these four match. These will be blue. A little bit more symmetric.
Three greens down there.
Perfect. Look at that.
And then four oranges right here.
Sean, we don't sell CD cleaners, do we?
It's the Groove Glide. It's about 50 bucks.
What?
It's called Groove Glide. It cleans CDs and records, and it costs $50 for the kit.
No, I need
Yeah, what you're looking for is go to the Best Buy or Target.
All right.
All right, there we go.
Cool. Awesome. Oh, look, got one extra blue.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah,
Hold on
just
to
take it
that
if you
blue.
want.
Yeah.
And like hold
Great,
on.
yeah, maybe we'll see if we can have a fader, yeah. Alright. Perfect, that's cool. I like the oranges on the side.
Tight. So let me look for.
This is awesome. My first Rane.
Am I able to connect back to the
Vestax guy since like over 20 years. Cool. Dope.
Let's see which. No,
Yeah, that's a different style. Yeah, yeah, it's like a big style.
While we're ringing it up, I'll get that associate.
Oh, okay, cool.
Fine one.